These two plants are growing together in a small pot. Now they are going to be repotted using clay balls, cinder, the drain holes have been covered with clay balls. Now I'll be filling it with cinder as the potting medium. The pot has been repotted in this pot, and since the plant is really heavy and tall, I have given a support rod here, and now we have to tie the plant to the stair. Both the plants which were separated has been repotted. Stone blocks have been placed so that the plant doesn't tip over.